Today we are using Pepperidge Farm puff pastry.
Because Pepperidge Farm remembers.
Pepperidge Farm remembers?
Don't you remember that old guy on the commercial?
No.
Yeah, it was an old guy. He looked like Harry Truman, and he was always, oh, because Pepperidge Farm remembers.
The store-bought are not my favorite puff pastries. I used to buy it by the case. Remember the little 5x5 squares?
Yes.
So John, normally, if you remember correctly, we used prosciutto to wrap around the meat. We're going to use a canned bacon. It's not one of the approved methods of canning. People have been doing this for 100 years. So you do these things at your own risk. Beautiful. That's the noise we want to hear.
Yes.
I will be posting a video on how to can bacon. That's coming down in a few weeks. Pretty thin, huh?
Yeah.
Fragile. Perfect. Okay.
Wait, there's little bits.
No, not the little bits.
Yes. There you go.
Okay. And then we're going to save a little bit to go on top of the meat when we place it on. And that bacon is fully cooked. All right. Now we're going to put the meat on top. Now we're going to fold this over. And kind of give it a good stretch over. And then you want to seal the sides of it. The neat part about this, remember we did the little gold stars on it, where we did a cookie cutter, we did the stars, and what we did was we used the egg as a glue. We stuck the stars on, and then we put the egg wash over it again, and then the little stars raised up, which was amazing. It was really fun. Yeah. So you could do hearts. You can also take a knife. You could make designs in it. If you don't go too far, don't go down to the meat. You have to be real careful with that. Or you can make strips, kind of make a diagonal. Because remember, they're going to puff up.
I'm just going to do a cookie cut.
You're going to do a cookie cut? Go ahead and put them down here. Are you going to do just one? Are you going to do several? Or?
I'm just going to do the one.
Okay.
And then where's the star?
I didn't bring the star.
Oh, so I just have the hearts?
Yeah. I just have to flip that over. Okay.
Did I use that side?
Yes.
It's still cut really nicely.
Yeah, it did good. Are you just going to put one on each?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you're going to go ahead and do your egg coating. So this is gonna make it nice and golden brown.
Not just golden brown.
Not just, it's
But
gotta be
nice.
nice. Right, so we're going to put it in a 425-degree oven. We're going to go in for about 20 to 25 minutes. So we would like to see, depending on how you like your meat, for the thermometer, we're going to do about 120 to 125. So, isn't there yet? Look at those lovelies. I think your meat's done. You're at 122, it looked like.
So, that's our friend. It smells good.
It does, doesn't it?
Boy, the shallots and the ghee really smell awesome.
To add next is a little bit of thyme. So you want maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. You can also do a couple sprinkles if you want. Just want to give it a little bit of thyme flavor. Perfect.
Good thing we had time for that.
I know. We always have time for thyme. Yeah, it definitely needs some heat. Why, thank you, trusted assistant.
That was sous chef Lisa.
I'm going to make a little demi-glaze to go underneath the beef Wellington. John, you getting a little hungry?
I've been hungry.
Are you getting
It's like
hangry?
I'm home.
You're not getting hangry, are you? We're almost there.
All good things come to those who wait.
That's true.
Give Lisa the one with the bigger heart.